muscle car corner here, bringing another wing car. 70 Plymouth Super Bird. 440 torque flat car. Like it in white. This car looks awesome in white. It's you don't see too many of them in white. It looks really nice. Wheels look beautiful. Correct tires. This is a U-Cold car, so it's a 440. Not a lot of options on it. It is the 836 performance axle, which was the 8 3/4, possibly 355 gear. It's usually what they put in. There's a CD on the restoration of this car. Let's take a look at the interior on this car. Here again, looking at some of the detail inside this car is really nice. Looks like it's been put back the way it should. Looking at the jams on this car, look really nice. That looks like an original sill plate. You can tell the aftermarket, they're a little bit shinier. Correct plating on that. Jams look nice. This car's got original quarters on it. Let's take a look at the dash. 10,151, low. Wow. This car shows very well. I love it. Does the horn work? Battery's probably not connected. I'm funny about cars that are painted white. I don't think any muscle car should be painted white. My dad used to paint his Corvettes white. Red cars, yellow cars, he wanted them white. I said, why do you want to do that? I said, white is just not a muscle car color, as far as I'm concerned, except for a Trans Am. That's the only car it looks good on, and some Camaros, second gen Camaros. But no harm, no foul on this, you know. White works on this Super Bird. Any color works on a Super Bird, as far as I'm concerned. And I'm in love with this car. It's beautiful. I like to have it sitting in the garage. White on white, black vinyl. It's pretty cool. Here again, there's Chrysler's welds where they put these hoods together on these cars. They were rough, and they looked like Jimmy Joe had done it at a little shop down the road, you know, but that's the way it came from Chrysler, and that's the way they built them, you know. They had to put this extension and weld it on the front section of it. So, this 440 U-Code car, everything looks really correct underneath the hood. I'm looking at, there's some patina on the motor. Sometimes there's a variance of these colors on these 440 wedges. Should be a little bit brighter of an orange, I believe. I don't believe that's a correct orange on that. Getting down to brass tacks on the engine color. That tells you all about everything right there. This car's done really nice. Here again, let's take a look at those hood bolts. Those look pretty decent. I don't see anything going on there. That's the way you need to do them, ladies and gents. So, dang. Take it all in. Muscle car corner here with another favorite. I've got so many favorites I can't keep track of. I thought it was a 10, then a 20, now a 30, possibly a 40, top 10, LOL.